was actually saved for the Vulcan display flight and was displayed by the Royal Air Force until it retired in 1993. Last display season being the 1992. Represents all the Vulcan squadrons, and it's got a new one on the moment on the nose. This is Spirit of Great Britain, so it's supposed to encapsulate what she stands for, the Great British Never Say Die Bulldog Spirit. Yeah, good stuff. Of course, the elephant in the room has always been money. So far it's cost more than £8 million, and that includes £2.7 million for an unprecedented heritage lawsuit grant. They didn't get it first time, but they got it second. And the rest comes actually from you, the great British public. You've given your money in single pound, tens of thousands of pounds, and some people have made quite large contributions. So Jack Hayward has been an outstanding contributor. Forrester of Aerobytes, a huge support from CAA, Marshall's Aerospace. Companies like EADS, ABP, BAE Systems, Jefferson, Subaru, AD Holdings, Goldrich, Rolls-Royce, Jet Power, of course Seawater. It's not a corgi, it's a Dory. It's a corgi Dachshund cross, which is called that Vulcan. So other people who support us, so why shouldn't we support the Vulcan? The business plan actually is for commercial sponsorship, but it's kind of a good time at the moment for that. So Martin and his crew took over the role, and he was the reserve crew for Pushback 1 down at Port Stanley. So he actually, as I say, took on the mission because the original aircraft went unsafe shortly after takeoff. It was a 16-hour flight. They had to say Vulcans and Victors. They dropped 21 1,000-pound bombs on the runway. Got 2 hits and misses, made it unusual for the fast jets, and that's important. And as I say, he was awarded the DFC. Flew the Blackback sortie, but the number 1 crew went in circle. So between the two of them, there was sort of one should have been there, and the other walking while looking ahead. So if you're enjoying this display and you want to help support the aeroplane, there is a quick and easy way to do it. There's always a quick and easy way to do it. And you can make a £3 donation just using your mobile phone. You text Vulcan to 82055 and you can be one of the people who keeps doing this. was controversial, wasn't it?
Yes, it was, but I think most crews who flew over, we relied on the pilots to make sure that we got away from the ground enough for us to slide down the door and operate our parachutes and go over it that way. And people did. People got out of the aircraft successfully.
Yeah, lovely sight there, flying past the low level with the gear down.